Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Mercedes ML320 CDI W164. The procedure is similar for ML280 CDI, 350 CDI and for C-Class, E-Class with the same engine. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay area. It's located in the middle of the engine, in the V. The fuel filter is located right there. In order to get access to the fuel filter, we need to remove this air intake hose. To remove this air intake hose, we need to loosen the three clamps, the two on the two air filters and the one on the turbo. There are also some electrical connectors that we need to disconnect before removing this air intake pipe. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the air intake pipe out. Now we have access to the fuel filter. So that's the fuel filter right there. First we need to remove those two clamps. We're going to use a screwdriver, and also this bolt we need to only to loosen it in order to take the fuel filter out. First we're going to remove those clamps just with a screwdriver. They will unlock. Next we need to pull out the fuel lines. If they don't want to come out, maybe use pry bar or a bigger screwdriver just to pry out the fuel lines. Now that the fuel lines are out, next we're going to loosen the bolt holding the fuel filter, and then we can take out the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out. You can see here the part number if you need it for the fuel filter. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. That's the new filter that we're going to be replacing. That's the part number for it. Now we're going to put it back on and put on the fuel lines and tighten the bolt holding the filter. To lock these clamps on the fuel lines, you need normal pliers, and you just you get them and they will lock. You just squeeze them and they will lock. You don't need special pliers to lock these clamps. It works with these pliers. Now that the fuel filter is replaced, next we're going to put on this air intake pipe, and then we're going to go into the car and prime the fuel system. Next we're going to go into the car and prime the fuel system. To prime the fuel system, we need to turn the ignition on and off for about 10 times, holding the ignition on for about 5 seconds each time. This car has electric fuel pump in the tank, so it will prime the fuel system itself, but after 10 times of turning the ignition on and off, then we can start the car. Now that we've primed the system, we can start the car. You might want to rev it a little bit, and then we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.